How do affinity, reality, and communication relate to the 8 dynamics? Have you ever wondered how our connections with others shape our lives? In Scientology, the concepts of affinity, reality, and communication, often referred to as ARC, are essential for understanding relationships. These principles play a vital role in the 8 dynamics, which outline various aspects of survival in life. Let's break this down to see how these ideas connect. Affinity is about how much we like or feel close to someone. It measures our emotional connection. When we have a strong affinity for ourselves, it helps us grow personally. This is especially important in the first dynamic, which focuses on self-survival. The more we appreciate ourselves, the better we can navigate our lives. Reality refers to the shared understanding of what is true. It involves agreeing on facts and perceptions. In the second dynamic, which deals with family and procreation, having a shared reality about values and beliefs strengthens family bonds. When family members understand each other's perspectives, it creates a harmonious environment. Communication is the exchange of ideas and information. It is the glue that holds relationships together. In group settings like workplaces or schools, effective communication fosters teamwork. This is crucial in the third dynamic, where cooperation leads to success. When everyone communicates well, the group can achieve its goals more smoothly. Now let's look at the fourth dynamic, which focuses on mankind. Here, ARC promotes unity among people. By fostering affinity for humanity, agreeing on shared realities about global issues, and communicating effectively, we can work together for a better world. The fifth dynamic involves our relationship with life forms, including animals and the environment. Affinity for nature and understanding our impact on it is essential. Communication about environmental issues can lead to better protection of our planet. In the sixth dynamic, which is about the physical universe, having affinity for the natural world helps us understand how our actions affect it. Effective communication about resource management is key to preserving our environment. The seventh dynamic touches on spiritual matters. Here, ARC means having a connection to spiritual concepts and understanding spiritual existence. Communication with spiritual entities can deepen our spiritual experiences. Finally, the eighth dynamic relates to the Supreme Being or infinity. This level involves having a deep affinity for the divine and understanding the reality of spiritual existence. Communication with the Supreme Being can enrich our spiritual journey. By applying the principles of affinity, reality, and communication across all 8 dynamics, we can improve our relationships and enhance our overall well-being. Whether in personal growth, family life, or global unity, these concepts are fundamental in Scientology teachings. They guide us in creating a more harmonious existence for ourselves and those around us.